I would like to tell a few, like 3 to 4 words about sentences about eCell. We know eCell as entrepreneurship cell and idea and innovation cell and student-based cell. As these points are absolutely true, and hence our eCell, top eCell is adding extra flavors to that. Whenever we have a discussion, we get extra energy to move on, which automatically generates energy to others, and that's how it deserves energy cell. And it's one of the name given by one of our alumni, and it's the moreover it is not only the student body, it is our collective efforts of students, mentors, and this is where we are making a difference. Let's make it more and reap new ideas. It's all started with a one man idea that slowly unlocked too many people, and now it is an ocean of many beautiful people. So we are what we are. Ideas are taken into actions. This gives much more happiness and satisfaction in life. Giving back and make others to give back is so phenomenal. I call it a real success and hope the same from you people. And this success will continue same with extra pace in coming years, and that's how we create miracles. Career planning in chemical engineering. This is what we need in present days. Chemical engineering, it's a rare branch and a demanding branch, but still there is a lack of awareness in the society about chemical engineering. So I want to spread that awareness in chemical engineering and about career planning. And I'm involving in writing white papers or review papers, and also involved in writing our voices of mentors, listening to the voices of our fantastic mentors, their life journeys, strategies, and all. And we are also doing a project called 100 crores by the age of 30. This is really awesome idea. 100 crore. First, let it to our imagination. It is as big as we imagine. Striving for that is not an easy task, and making it happen is one more phase. So believing in each other, ideas, and moving forward. And we strongly believe network is equal to net worth. Yes. And yes, next slide. And my goal is to broaden exposure and excellent chemical engineering through pursuing my PhD. And not only it is confined to PhD in depth of chemical engineering, wherever it takes to PhD plus or PhD plus plus, but depth in chemical engineering, and set up a company in India for making advancements in science and technology, and spread the spirituality throughout the world. And that's how we make a difference once again. And for the vision, we should have a mission for a guaranteed success, and commitment, smart work, hard work, and dedication and determination comes in the list. And about my mentor and mentee relationship, my mentor Meena ma'am is a very patriotic. She thinks to give back to society. So that is how she is giving to society, giving back to society through us. It is happening. Heartful thanks to you, ma'am, and all the mentors here present here. Next slide, please. Yeah, and my learnings, power of interactions. We know the how much power of interactions. One can decide a great idea, and one can destroy the same idea in the interaction. So the power of interaction is very high, and living in the world of values. The value system is really want to us. Value system, through value system we can create miracles, as I said earlier. And heart full of gratitude. So gratitude is one of the main factor in life to achieve great things, and nothing is impossible if a man strives for excellence. This is what I realized in these days. And more importantly, learn to learn and experience to experience is the main key to success anything. Next slide, please. Yeah, experiencing this beautiful moment since 2 years, and the journey continues. And this is me, Rohit Pulluri from Chemical Engineering, ECL.